For the mobile user, the iSense scanner is an ideal choice due to its compact design and ability to integrate with an iPad. It effectively turns your tablet into a 3D scanner imaging device through which you can scan on the go. You simply attach the scanner to your iPad, activate the app, and then walk around an object or environment to scan a digital copy. This device doesn't require you to be stationary or place the subject within a box for the optimal scan, effectively allowing you to scan anything you come across in your travels. This device utilizes 3D capture technology with physical photography, and puts it in the hands of the consumer. It works on most any iPad, iPad Air or iPad mini equipped with Retina display. And the device is even compatible with the Cube line of 3D printers, which means you can easily progress from scanning images to printing models. The 3D laser scanner is even compatible with apps designed for occipital structure sensor, ensuring you receive the full range of functionality possible when scanning. The unit is designed for 3D scanning up to 3.5 meters away and has a view field of 58 degrees vertically by 48 degrees horizontally, so you can scan items of varying sizes with ease. The unit is marketed as being able to scan anything from shoes to SUVs, which is an incredibly versatile range. Combined with automatic object recognition, the scanner is able to accurately identify precise targets even in the busiest of backgrounds. And once scanned, you can utilize the provided software to quickly crop, enhance and solidify 3D printable files within a matter of minutes. What makes this one of the best 3D scanners is that it is equipped with its own battery, which means it won't drain your iPad. For active scanning purposes, it can run between 3 or 4 hours straight on a full charge. On standby, a charge can be held for more than 1,000 hours. This ensures you get the most out of your scanner while you're traveling. The world of 3D scanning is in its earliest stages, with more options introduced each year. However, the iSense scanner is unique and innovative in its own regard due to its mobile user appeal. It integrates with your iPad for on-the-go scanning. With its extensive viewing field, long battery life, and easy-to-use app for quick creation of 3D printable files, this is a unit that offers greater application in the field of modeling.